I'm Laura Myers. I am a staff attorney at Prairie State Legal Services in the DuPage County office. I'm from this area and I thought it would be a great place to practice law. I've been doing this for 7 years now. I mainly do public benefits cases, a lot of Social Security cases. I have been branching out a little bit in recent years. We've taken on mortgage fraud cases. It was a very unfortunate case. The clients really trusted this lawyer who had become a family friend of hers. She wanted to get a line of credit for her house. She asked the attorney for help. He gave her what he said was a power of attorney good for 24 hours, which would allow for him to arrange for an appraisal of the property. Instead of being a power of attorney, it actually was a deed in trust. It treated it from the trust where she was a beneficiary into a trust where he was the main beneficiary. And with that, he was able to get out a mortgage in his own name. He actually paid on the mortgage for about a year, and then the mortgage went into foreclosure. And that's when she found out about all this, when the process server was coming to her house in order to serve him. It was a very traumatic case for her, to say the least. We actually did try to sue the perpetrator of the fraud, and we could never find him. He had gone off to Hawaii. The only other place where we could possibly get relief for the client who had lost her house was through the mortgage company. I raised the attorney's fraud as an affirmative defense to the mortgage foreclosure. The mortgagee filed a motion for summary judgment, and that was actually granted in the trial court despite us fully briefing the issue. Then we actually filed an appeal.
I think a lot of people would have just decided, well, you know, the trial judge made her determination, and I think a lot of people kind of advised her that it was a difficult case and it's unlikely that it would succeed on appeal, but Laura was quite determined.
We had oral argument last month. The case was remanded actually back to the trial court. The appellate court reversed summary judgment. We feel confident that in the trial court we'll have better luck this time. It was just really so wrong. It would kind of haunt me if I didn't do everything I thought I could.
Laura is obviously very focused on getting positive results for clients and is willing to go the extra mile to obtain a positive result for her clients, and that's what it's all about. And
it's nice to see cases look so bleak and then actually turn out just great when things just look hopeless. They really aren't sometimes. You can't count out a case until it's really over.